So now, I put pictures on a dog, per dog, Paul killed. This dog, what happened was, we took it over to Tom and Leslie's home, which they had dogs there. So, it's like, what happened there, it's like, Paul was holding on to our dogs, and Leslie and Tom were holding on to their dog, and somehow, our dog bit, Holly right close to her eye, right there, and, Leslie, no, our dog was being, shown who's boss, and it's really, Leslie is Paul's wife now, and Tom was Paul's best friend and drug dealer. Okay, well, I'll get that. We were going home to Vasco, and Paul was saying, I'm going to take this dog, and I'm going to tie it up and drag it by the car. And I looked at him, and I'm like, really? Because a bit Holly close to the eye, it's like, okay, fine. Why not you take this dog to the SPCA? Not killing the poor thing. And so the next day he said, "Oh, I'm gonna take this dog to the SPCA," but I don't believe him. I don't. Because I saw whoops in the fan. So I figured he took it in the country and tied it around and dragged it by the fan. So that's how he killed that dog. Yeah. Someone needs to stop him. He went on many years killing pets. Sick. Oh.